how to set up a TikTok account. To get started, you first need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this homepage where you can view all the contents that are shared on TikTok. Once you're on this page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, from the profile page, tap on the account name at the top. Then select the Add Account option from the menu. From this page, tap onto the Use Phone or Email button. After that, enter your phone number. Once you're done, hit Continue. Now, enter the 6-digit code that was sent to your phone number. Now, from this page, you need to set your birthday. Then, hit the Continue button. Set a unique password for your TikTok account and tap on Continue. After that, you need to add a nickname. Once you're done, tap on Continue. There you go. You have successfully opened a new TikTok account. Now, while you're on the profile page, you can add a profile picture, set a bio, and enjoy many other features. So by following these steps, you can easily set up a TikTok account.